যোগপীঠ কি জয়, শ্রী চৈতন্য সারস্বত মঠ কি জয়, যদিও শাখা মঠ সমূহ কি জয়, শ্রীমঠের সেবক বৃন্দ ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়, অনন্ত কোটি বৈষ্ণব বৃন্দ কি জয়, শ্রী গৌরী আচার্য কি জয়, ত্রিদণ্ডী পাদগণ কি জয়, সপার্শ্ব শ্রীমন্ত প্রভু কি জয়, সপার্শ্ব শ্রীমন মহাপ্রভু কি জয়, ভক্ত প্রবর প্রহ্লাদ মহারাজ কি জয়, শুদ্ধ ভক্তির বিনাশকারী ভগবান নৃসিংহদেব কি জয়, সদাশিব গঙ্গাধর গিরিরাজ গোবর্ধন কি জয়, হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয়, শ্রী চৈতন্য সরস্বত মঠ কি জয়, অল দ্য অ্যাসেম্বলেজ ডিভোটিস কি জয়, অল দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়াইড ডিভোটিস কি জয়, অল দ্য সন্ন্যাসী বৃন্দ ব্রহ্মচারী বৃন্দ ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়, অল দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়াইড ডিভোটিস কি জয়, হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয়, নিতাই গৌর প্রেমানন্দে হরি 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 बोल। जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिवार जगत गुरु शिला भक्ति विमलाचार्य गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। By the mercy of Gurudev, by the mercy of Gurudev, today we are here again. Every Sunday we are meeting together. By the mercy of Gurudev, we are see everybody's face, loving face, and happy mood for service for the Guru Vaishnavas. They are all the liberated soul. There are trying, you are trying to make happiness, you are giving everything for the service for your Guru. You are giving too much for the service for the Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. In this way, you are going, you are getting taste. Actually, conditioned soul is always suffering in this world. But when he try his wish, wants to get love, affection, everything, Krishna Prem, and they can come out if they surrender to the Shraddhas, if Shraddha have faith, proper, the strongest faith have, and through their faith, if they surrender themselves in the under guidance of Guru, under guidance of great soul, then you also can go to your own home and can go to the eternal place. Where is Krishna's movement is going on. That's movement you can stay. Gurudev told on time. That's he told, if there is Bhakti Kalpa Vriksha and there is a papaya tree, but if you want banana from that tree, you will get banana. And if there is a banyan tree, if you want banana from banyan tree, you will get the banana from the banyan tree. That is movement going on in the Krishna's place. And that is Goloka Vrindavan. That place, you can enter to the place through your service. Through your service mode, you can enter to that place. For that I am praying to the Lord, everybody you are too much doing, too much making your service to make happy your Guru. That is main things for your spiritual life. I am seeing today so many devotees are here. Is Ravindra Krishna also there? Mahalakshmi is there today? Is cooking. Okay, good. Where is Dayal? Study.
Yes, Maharaj is here.
Okay, he is here.
Yes, Maharaj.
Okay. And there is a Devabandhu Nandapriya. It is, they are also joined to this program. From London I saw Lakshmi Kanti. Krishna Kishore is there, Lakshmi Kanti?
Yes, he's in the other room. He's offering to the deities right now.
Okay. It is noon time, huh?
It's noon time. Well, it's like almost 2 p.m., but the deities is going to be put to rest.
Oh.
I'm here, Maharaj. Dandavat pranams.
Dandavad. Joy Bardhan is there.
Haribol Maharaj,
Joy Bardhan,
Dandavat.
Juga.
Yes, Maharaj. How are you, Maharaj?
Shanta Maharaj. I'm fine.
Dandavat Maharaj.
Sripad Shanta Maharaj also there. And Sripad Shanta Maharaj's Haridam Guru, that is Pujyapat Srila Bhakti Swarup Damodar Goswami Maharaj, is disappearing also tomorrow. We can give some lecture in remembering Bhakti Swarup Damodar Maharaj, Gurudev's good friend. He was very nice, super personality of person, liberated soul, disciple of Srila Prabhupada, giving his full life for the service for the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message distributing. This is all the Vaishnavas, all the great soul coming in this world, sent by Lord to distribute the message of the Lord. If you send the letter to the Lord, you will not get answer. But if you send the letter to your Guru, and immediately you will get answer and you will get news from the Lord. Because Gurudev is the best friend. Gurudev is his nearest, dearmost friend. For that, if we can tell anything, we can say anything, we can produce anything to our Gurudev, then Gurudev will send our message to the Lord. So Gurudev send will message and Lord will give answer through our Gurudev. And what is the question, answer of our question? In this way, in this process, we have to proceed on our spiritual life. I see in the Zoom, in the Venezuela also some devotees are there. In the morning, they are early morning. Or some devotees are there in the temple. And from Colombia also Asarja Ratna is there, Hidaya Krishna is there. So many devotees I saw there. In the Bengali section, I saw Prabir every day is joining, every Sunday. Every Sunday is joining this Zoom, very nice. And Bengal is now going Durga Puja. Durga Puja is going on. Durgati Nashini, Durga Devi, incarnation of Parvati. Durga Devi is sometimes Mother Kali, sometimes Annapurna, sometimes Durga Devi. But Bengalis people's main festival is Durga. Many days Durga Puja is going on here, but this year is little less crowded because of COVID situation and also an strictly order from the High Court, Calcutta. For that, everybody is very careful about their health and government also little strict because government should follow to that high order of the High Court. For the situation, I am saying these people, devotees, that is Madhusudan Prabhu and Sunanda is there. How are you, Prabhu? And Revati is there.
We're fine, Maharaj.
Puri Maharaj is there. Bhakti Bandhav Puri Maharaj. And
Dandavat Srila Charyadev.
Dandavat. Please accept my humble obeisance.
No, Maharaj, you are saying my prostrate obeisance.
No, Maharaj, you gave me mercy because you take sannyas from me.
No, don't say that, Maharaj.
And there is Mahamantra is there. Many days I did not see him, maybe he is working. Mahamantra is there. Krishna Chaitanya is there from
Dandavat Maharaj.
Ukraine. Dandavat. Oh. Dandavat, Jilla Sunartha Maharaj, Dandavat. Where are you? I cannot see.
I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to my room, but I just finished the program in the temple.
Okay, good. Okay.
So my Dandavat's here. My Dandavat's here.
Okay. Dandavat Maharaj, you are taking prasadam?
No. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here. Just finished the Chaitanya Charitamrita reading.
Okay, good.
Coming.
And breakfast is going on there? No.
No. 1.5 hours before.
Okay. Okay, Maharaj.
Dandavat.
Good. Dandavat.
No.
Krishna Kinkar from South Africa. I am seeing that Amalendu Prabhu from Russia, I can see him. Ishani from Philippines, I can see her. Ishani.
Dandavat Maharaj, I'm here. I'm here in my sister's house in Manila. That Nanaba was in Kandy. Yeah. Part of the Philippines. Because I changed my glasses, so I need to go to the city. So I leave Ratnanaba alone in the house. I cannot connect it because it's typhoon here, Maharaj. I'm so happy and nice to hear from you. I'm so happy. I'm so glad to see you, Maharaj.
Amalendu Prabhu, how are you from Russia? Amalendu.
I'm okay.
Okay, very nice.
How are you?
I'm fine, Prabhu. I'm fine. I saw the Krishna Keshav from New York. Krishna Keshav. Dandavat. Mallika Devi Dasi. New devotee, huh? From Colombia. Madhumangal. How are you, Madhumangal Prabhu?
Dandavat. I'm fine, Maharaj. How are you?
Yes, that Dharmendra already came from Lucknow.
Yes,
But he already bought the ticket going to jumping to the Maya. He's already bought the ticket to again jumping to the Maya.
What can I say?
I'm thinking he will stay few days with me, going here, there, seeing something. But he already bought the ticket. Because I know he has to teach something. Students are there. Otherwise, they will disturb, they will go other place. It's very, means that kind of job, many responsible job. If you not proper attention give them, they will search another teacher. I know, I did before. Very nice. Damodar Prabhu. How are you, Damodar?
I'm fine, Maharaj.
Okay.
Damodar wants you to know
Necessary.
that he just opened the temple to visitors 1 month ago. The temple is open to
Okay.
come here.
And necessary to little harmonize with Srila Trivikram Maharaj. Understand? I know Trivikram Maharaj is a little angry man. But in this family, various kinds of people in this world. Understand? Then we should harmonize with bad, with good. That is necessary. Gurudev always telling that everybody can stay with the sadhu, but everybody have to stay with the thief also. Everybody has to stay with the good people, everybody has to try to stay with the bad people also. That is in this world, that is necessary. But sometimes some cool people, but Trivikram Maharaj is good heart, mind is hard, sometimes angry. But we necessary to harmonize with everybody. Because we do not want to divide the Brazilian mission. Brazilian mission is I do not want to divide that mission. For that, many branches can be, but give respect, be humble, tolerance, that is necessary for everybody. For that, you will be humble, then he will learn from you. Understand. Understand. Gurudev, one time I asked Gurudev, there's so many God brothers, some God brothers are criticizing you. Why are you keeping them in the temple? Gurudev told, if I ousted them from the temple, and who will criticize me? Somebody is necessary for criticizing me. But that kind of people also necessary. And I am surprised when I first time came. And Gurudev telling this. Understand?
Acharya Maharaj,
Yes.
one time I was going to go to India for Gurudev's Avirbhav in December, but when Hashapriya went there, Gurudev sent a message telling me to come immediately. It was like August or September. So I called Gurudev. I said, "You want me to come now? Why?" And he said, "That is, I have no one here to disturb me."
Dandavad Pranam,
this-
Sri Acharya Maharaj.
Dandavad. Please accept my humble obeisance, Maharaj.
Same to you, Maharaj.
Dandavad. How are you, Maharaj?
Fine, fine. By your grace, I'm fine. We are keeping well. And how are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine, Maharaj, I'm fine.
Very good, very good.
Because here I am not going out for 2-3 days almost because of yesterday I went, but little bit for little preaching. But not so crowded, little preaching I went, some distributing the books, and one lady is distributing so many books, and I gave to her home and giving some books to more books for distributing. She likes to distribute the books.
Which place?
For that it is near Calcutta, South Calcutta. It is nearby Calcutta. For 1 hour here, driving, 1.5 hours. Okay, any other, Didi Praneshwari, Didi, some question you can ask me today? Satya Sundari, how are you, Satya Sundari? Still you are in Australia?
Yes, Dada Maharaj, Dada I'm good. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, Didi, I'm fine.
Take care of you.
I'm fine. Navo Krishna. Navo Krishna, you want to come to India?
Yes.
Still you are too much attached by 7-Up?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola, yes.
Maharaj, again we can go to Bundija temple with him.
Okay.
Yes, Maharaj. Humble pranams to you. You have a question from Colombia, Akinchana Das. Dandavats. Last week we sang about Lochan Das. Could you tell us about him? Could you talk to us about Lochan Das?
Yes, I can tell. These books can give something down, write down. In this Lochan Das is the Lochan Das. Lochan bole Haronitai Devana Bhojilo. Lochan Das is the devotee of follower of Nityananda Prabhu. His line. I'll get or not, I see before some books about Lochan Das Thakur. Yes, I got it. Lochan Das Thakur. Actually, Lochan Das Thakur, like our Gurudev Guru Maharaj, he born in the Bardwan district. And Lochan Das was the disciple of Sri Narahari Thakur. Narahari, Sri Khanda, is birthplace near Katwa, Mahaprabhu Sannyas Palace. Narahari Thakur was living there, and Lochan Das was the disciple of Sri Narahari Thakur. And Lochan Das' father's name is Kamalakar Das. My mother's name is Sadanandi. And Lochan Das, he was the only on son of his father, and very affectionate son because he is the only one. And Losundas was married very young age. Losundas was very married very young age. And Losundas from his childhood he was attached by the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was the devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was very disturbance from the material things. He does not like so much material things. And from young age, even he was married, he was not staying so much in his own house. And without his wife, he was living with his guru, his Gurudev's house as Sri Khanda. I told before Sri Khanda Narahari Thakur's part, that is and Losundas, as Murari Gupta writing Chaitanya Charitamrita sometimes before, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami compared Chaitanya Charitamrita but before Chaitanya Mongol Grantha, and that is Losundas Thakur, and reading something. And Losundas Thakur when compared Chaitanya Mongol, and he was praying to Vrindavan Das Thakur. Vrindavan Das Thakur Bondibo Eko Chitte Jagat Mohita Jar Bhagavata Gite. Like this, he is writing like this. Chaitanya Mongol is like this. And Vrindavan Das Thakur what composed Chaitanya Bhagavat, and that is before name of Chaitanya Mongol. And Losundas Thakur and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, that book's name give Chaitanya Bhagavat later. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also written Krishna Lila Bhagavate Kahe Vedabhas Chaitanya Lilar Vyas Vrindavana Das. And Vrindavan Das Thakur not very clearly not right in Chaitanya Bhagavat. Chaitanya Bhagavat not so much writing very broadly, but Losundas Thakur was giving so many explanation about Mahaprabhu in Chaitanya Mongol. But Mahaprabhu, before taking sannyas and talking with Vishnupriya, Mahaprabhu talking with Vishnupriya, that part, Vrindavan Das Thakur not writing in the Chaitanya Bhagavat, but Losundas Thakur is clearly writing in Chaitanya Mongol. What talking Mahaprabhu and Vishnupriya is talking. Sometimes here written, Losundas Thakur written in Chaitanya Mongol, প্রভুর ব্যগ্রতা দেখি বিষ্ণুপ্রিয়া চন্দ্রমুখী কহে কিছু গদ গদ সুরে কহ কহ প্রাণনাথ মোর শিরে দিয়া হাত সন্ন্যাস করিবে নাকি তুমি. And because what is writing, Vishnupriya Devi telling that Prabhu is very, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very disturbance to us, and for that Vishnupriya understood that he will leave me and he will go to taking sannyas. And for that Vishnupriya Devi telling to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Kaho Kaho Prananath, if you keep your hand in my head, then you will go for taking sannyas. I am stout that you are leaving me, you are going out from home. And all people also telling like that. And তুমি যবে ছাড়ি যাবে কি কাজ এ সারো জীবে হিয়া পরে জন বিষ জ্বালা. So many like it is Viraha Vedana, it is difference. It is, what is called, it is Viraha Lila. Viraha Lila means
Separation.
very nice.
Separation.
Separation. It says, very nice writing, Lochon Das Thakur here. And after that, when Vishnupriya Devi telling, after that Mahaprabhu telling, you can listen from here. E bolo shoniya বহু মুস্কি হাসিয়া লহু কহে শুনো মোর প্রাণ পিয়া কিছু না করিও চিত্তে যে কহিয়ে তোর হিতে সাবধান শুনো মন দিয়া জগতে যতক দেখো মিছা করি সব লেখো সত্য একে সব ভগবান সত্য আর বৈষ্ণব তাবিনে যতক সব মিছা করি করো জ্ঞান মিছা সুত পতি নারী পিতামাতা আদি করি পরিণামে কেবা কাহার. It is giving some nourishment. Mahaprabhu is giving some nourishment to Vishnupriya. Because in this world everything is nothing. It is our father, mother, everything is wife, husband. Its relationship is very temporary. It's temporary when Jivasol is coming out from the body and he again cannot enter to the body. Say that body. That body will rotten within few days. There is so many things telling. Misha Shuddha Potinari Pitamata Adi Kori Poriname Kevakar. Sri Krishna Chanana Rohi Artha Kutumbo Nahi Jato Shabdaka Maya. Who is your relation? You make the relation with the Lord. And other relationships, material relationship, it is all illusory environment. Your parents have your parents in the circle, everything. In this world, this is all illusion, the all illusory environment. Kiba nari purush dekho atta sabar ek misha maya bodde bhabo dui Shri Krishna sabaro poti ar sob prakriti ek kotha na bujhiyo koi. This is writing, Mahaprabhu telling, and this is writing by Lochon Das Thakur. But when Gaur Sundar is giving that advice to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna Bhaktivantare Dehodhari e Sangsare Mayabande Pasuriyapo. We got this human body to worship the Lord, nothing but others. That Mahaprabhu telling to the Vishnupriya. Ahankare Mattoya Nijapurbu Pasuriya Sese Pai Narok Jantrona. For the ego, we are thinking he is my husband, he is my son, he is my wife. But you forgetting our master, then finally he is getting the austerity from the hell. That is Mahaprabhu telling to Vishnupriya. Tornam Vishnupriya sarthak karo iya misha shok na karo chitte. Not to give so much. Shok means condemn. Na kise mohar maras?
Pain or sadness.
No, that is no. Shok another. Console,
Shok means like sadness, Maharaj.
Sadness, yes. But consoleness, consoleness আছে না?
That is সেটা শোক হবে না Maharaj. সেটা হবে শোক
Okay, যাও। শ্রী গৌর সুন্দর উপদেশ বলে স্বরূপ মূর্তি and Mahaprabhu showing his Chaturbhuj Murti. He is showing to Vishnupriya, he is not only your husband, he is the Lord, and he is showing his Chaturbhuj, means forehand and everything. Shankha Chakra Gada Padma is showing. But Gaur Sundar so many giving advice, but still Vishnupriya is thinking Gaur Sundar is my husband. তবে দেবী বিষ্ণুপ্রিয়া চতুর্ভুজ দেখিয়া পতি বুদ্ধি নাহি জানে তবু. But he is thinking, or Vishnupriya Devi, she is thinking she is my husband. This is so many things written by Lochon Das Thakur. That is Nityananda's song, Paramo Karuno Pahu Dui Jana Nitayo Gaura Chandra. That is composed by who? Lochon Das Thakur. Nitai Gunamani, that is and Lochand Das Thakur, another song about first time of Radha Krishna. We do not know that song, but written here also. That is, we know Paramo Korunu Pahu Dui Jana Nitai Gunamani Amar, that is, we know. But Lochand Das Thakur also composed the Radha Krishna's pastimes. আরে নিকুঞ্জ বনে শ্যামের সনে কিরূপে দেখিল রাই কেমন বিধাতা গরল মূরতি লকই লহিয়া যাই সজল জলদ কানুর বরণ চম্পক বরণ রাই মণিমর কদ কাঞ্চন জড়িত ঐছন রহিল ঠাই কি অপূর্ব দাস মণ্ডল রমণী মণ্ডল ঘটা মনমত পাইল অচেতন দেখিয়া অঙ্গ ছটা বদনে মধুর হাস হৃদয়ে হৃদয়ে সঙ্গ কোন রসবতী রসের আবশ কুসুম শয়নে অঙ্গ। This is the Robino Ghosher Nibiro Abha Tahe Bijuro Ujai Dasolochone Rai Rosovosho Rose Abosoi. This is Vishwakusha is also Lochand Das Thakur. It is he is 85 years he was staying in this world. 15,530 he left in this world. And Chaitanya Mongol, he is composed, and also another Grantha, another books also composed, that his name is Durlabhasar, is composed by Chaitanya Mongol, composed by Lochand Das Thakur. Joy Lochand Das Thakur ki joy. Okay, tell me, so many times gone about Lochand Das Thakur. No problem. Vaishnaveru.
Okay, now we're talking about songs, Maharaj. And devotees around the world have been commenting on social media about a beautiful song that was composed for your Vyasa Puja. And today you have a very good question about it. Ramanuja Das from Spain is asking, Dandavats Srila Charjadev, in the 3 programs during the day, when can we sing this song?
What kind of question?
We can sing when we are singing Gurudev's song, Govinda Maharaj song, Sridhar Maharaj song. Before that we can sing morning, evening, and Arati also.
Arati not nice.
So at least twice, one in the morning and one in the evening, Shanta Maharaj.
When we sing the kirtans, morning, evening kirtans.
Okay.
You have another question, this time from Venezuela. Ramakrishna Das. Dandavats. Chaitanya Charitamrita describes about the Panchatattva. It is explained that Mahaprabhu is Lord Krishna himself, Nityananda Prabhu is an expansion of the Lord, and Advaita Acharya is a Bhakta avatar. I don't understand Gadadhar Pandit's position. Could you please explain it?
Gadadhar Pandit of incarnation of Srimati Radharani. Actually, Krishna took heart and halo. Krishna took Radharani's heart and halo and becoming Gauranga. But another part also have only that body only, not only heart and halo. Another part that is took by from Radharani it is Gadadhar Pandit. And Gadadhar Pandit is incarnation of Srimati Radharani. And Mahaprabhu is showing when he was, Gadadhar Pandit was, Mahaprabhu keeping him in Puri. And he gave the beautiful service to Tota Gopinath in Puri. Beautiful service. And Gadadhar Pandit studied in Srimad Bhagavatam Bhagavatam and Mahaprabhu listening from him. Gadadhar Pandit cooking, very nice. Mahaprabhu's favorite shak is Abona shak, means it is some kind of shak in the automatically growing in the garden. And Mahaprabhu liked that shak. And Gadadhar Pandit cooking very nicely, that's some prasadam. And Gadadhar Pandit is thinking, say, if Mahaprabhu loves me, and Mahaprabhu knows my heart, I will not invite him. How he knows, I want to see that. And one time Mahaprabhu came immediately and Mahaprabhu told, oh, you are cooking for me, but you are not inviting me. But I know you, I will come. I know that you want, I will come. For that I came to you. That is relationship with Srimati Radha, Sri Gadadhar Pandit, and that is the Pancha Tattva, you know that. That is only not, it is within Pancha Tattva, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. That is Mahaprabhu, Nityananda, Advaita, Gadadhar, Srivas Pandit, and there are Pancha Tattva. There are within Pancha Tattva. For that, in another explanation, what you want to know, I cannot understand. If Srila Janardhan Maharaj can say something about this, that is better. And Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur always composing Gaura Gadadhar, established the Gaura Gadadhar. And he is worshipping always Gaur Gadadhar, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He is Baninath also, Gaur Gadadhar.
Maharaj.
Yes.
So Mahaprabhu appeared on the Purnima and Gadadhar Pandit appeared on the Amavasya. And Srila Govinda Maharaj explains that because Mahaprabhu have the Bhavakanti, or the heart and halo of Srimati Radharani, then Gadadhar Pandit running after Mahaprabhu like a man who's running after a thief who has stolen from him. And very close relationship. Always Gadadhar Pandit looking after Mahaprabhu, and like he's trying to get back the property that Mahaprabhu has taken from him. And you can see that. Anyway, this Govinda Maharaj gave that example of a man running after a thief. And very close relationship, always between Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Pandit. The book Heart and Halo talks about that at the last chapter, and Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur at the end of Chaitanya Charitamrita is writing like that, and he's saying that that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he identified himself with Gadadhar Pandit, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur chose as his day of disappearance, the same disappearance day as Gadadhar Pandit. And that in his life, he is saying that Bhaktivinoda Thakur is like this, appearing. He said that in the end, if I look closely, I can see that my guru is Guna Manjari, speaking about Gaur Kishore Das Babaji. But if I look more broadly, I see my guru as Srimati Radharani, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur talking about, Saraswati Thakur talking about Bhaktivinoda Thakur singing this way. But it is very deep, and I don't want to I don't want to speak about something that is beyond my level of understanding, but there's nice description there about the relate how
that is description. There are talking about things that Sahajiya people are telling so much speaking like this. And on time, on Sahajiya man, this is disciple of Sridhar Maharaj, but when he is singing, he is coming, and he is the family of the Sridhar Maharaj, and Hapaniya, his house, that teacher, school teacher. But after that, Sridhar Maharaj not accepting him as a disciple, but he took Diksha from Sridhar Maharaj. Still he is alive, that man. But he is staying the other temple, and one time sometimes he is coming always. Gurudev time I saw him. We are as much as giving respect to him. We are much giving respect to him. But one time he is singing he is singing the Aruti, evening Aruti, and that is on festival time. And on kind of festival, maybe Guru Maharaj's appearance day. I cannot remember that day, what festival, but that one some kind of festival, because Gurudev listened from his house, because that is loudspeaker is going on. Without festivals, Chaitanya Saraswati Math loudspeaker is not running, because Guru Maharaj does not like the loudspeaker in his temple. And festival time, so many people coming for that it is necessary, and he allowed. And Sridhar Maharaj's time also not allowed so many loudspeaker. And Gurudev allowed only festival time. And he was singing the Mala Jhalmal 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 Kore. Are Gadadharer Gatha Mala. When telling Gadadharer Gatha Mala, and Gurudev is very disturbed and stop it. With whole Sahajiya coming and telling, stop it. Gurudev telling, not chanting the Gadadharer Mala, chanting the Bhaktaganer Gatha Mala. Bhaktaganer Gatha Mala, Jhalmal Jhalmal Kare. Not speaking about Gadadhar Gatha Mala. Understand then how much deepest things is that for this kind of question.
Yeah, Maharaj, when we go to Champahati, when we go to the Gaur Gadadhar temple there, then there's always one brahmachari there who starts singing from Jayadev Goswami. Yeah, it's very annoying when we go there.
That for that Srila Bhakti Saraswati Thakur told, Narottam Das Thakur can sing it. যে বৃন্দাবনের চবুতারা তাহে মোর মন ঘেরা. Is Narottam Das Thakur singing বৃন্দাবনের চবুতারা তাহে মোর মন ঘেরা. But we know our mind is বৃন্দাবনের চবুতারা. Our mind is in বৃন্দাবন চবুতারা. Our mind is other place. We know that very clearly. That is Srila Saraswati Thakur told that. If you want to singing Vrindavan Chabutara Tahe Moro Mano Ghera, your mind is always in Vrindavan or your mind is other place. That is Saraswati Thakur telling that. But for that, you have to worship with your adhikar, within your adhikar, you have to service within your place, not to cross the limit. It is necessary to not to cross the limit.
Some questions the devotees making are there in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in the early chapters. The tree of
What does Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur told? That I read 60 times in Chaitanya Charitamrita, but easily I cannot understand Chaitanya Charitamrita. Okay, any other question?
Yes, Srila Jadev again from Colombia. Karanat Das Prabhu, Dandavat pronouns dear Srila Acharya Maharaj, or Omkarnath.
Omkarnath, okay.
Dandavat pronouns dear Srila Acharya Dev. What must be the best mood? What is the best mood in which we go to the streets to perform Shri Harinam Sankirtan?
That is the perfect mood, is humble tolerance and give honor to others. That is the perfect mood that Gurudev told. That is the best ether. You can talk through internet with us. And all over the world I can see here, scientists discovered this, scientists discovered this. But what movement, some sound level, that's Haren Namo, Haren Namo, Haren Namoiva Kevalam, Kolo Nastivo, Nastivo Gotir Annata. That is also real mood. That is also real mood. And it is Haren Namo, Haren Namo, Haren Namoiva Kevalam. Gurudev telling it is not necessary to collect an ocean of knowledge from the scripture. The only necessity is your chastity and faith is the divine name of the Lord. Why? Some reason have been given that we can easily understand. In this world, so many scientists have invented many things. How are we getting email, telephone and television through sound? In this material world it is possible, so why it is not possible to connect with the transcendental world through sound? If we can come down into this material world, we can see that ray, and through that ray we can go there. Here we are getting connection everywhere through ether. If we can go a little further, we can connect within the transcendental divine from the Lord, who is his name. It is transcendental, it is divine, it must give the full power to give us the knowledge, and that name can enter anywhere. The telephone calls are coming here without a problem. Why cannot the transcendental knowledge come into my heart? Why cannot the transcendental knowledge live there? We must believe it. Try to research and try to understand who is way. It is possible. Mahaprabhu Chaitanya Dev said that transcendental vibration from our Lord is Harinam. It will be revealed in our heart. That is Mahaprabhu's Shikashtak Shalaka Chaitanya Darpana Marjana. That is Chalo. That is, and also Trinadavi Shunupana, the humble and tolerance given to others. Make everywhere your friend try to get a connection with the transcendental abode through Harinam, the Lord's name. Practice your spiritual life and see the result. It is not dead matter. You will eat and other than will be fulfilled. It is not a fact. When you eat, you will feel. My belly is becoming full, my mind is becoming satisfied, and my hunger is going away. These feelings naturally will come to you. How will I go back to the hotel? My driver knows this is the way. He will not miss the way. So you must search, but with the proper guidance. If you want new castle, coal, you must go to Newcastle. If you want to Ganges water, go to the Ganges. If you want Thames water, go to the Thames. If you want to something, go to the source. In this way, your searching will take you there. Okay?
Thank you, Maharaj. You have another question from Venezuela. Bhakta Marcos from San Cristobal. He says, Dandavats Gurudev, how to achieve a spiritual elevation through chanting japas?
কি কোশ্চেন বলছে শান্ত মহারাজ?
বলছে যে আমরা কি করে আধ্যাত্মিক লাইনে আগে যাব জপ করে।
You can chant the holy name without offense and try to engage yourself for service for the mission, service for your guru, then you can without offense you can chant, without offense you can serve, and you will success in your spiritual life. Sometimes so many bondage will come in this world, that is the Maya, but if you surrender properly, if your faith is properly, your chastity is properly, then you will get result quickly.
One question I have, Maharaj, is how can people be chanting japa without having received Harinam Diksha?
Or he did not take initiation, or he has to take surrender to someone great personality. He has to take chanting the holy name, chanting the proper beats. Brahmando Brahmite kono bhagyavano jeev Guru Krishna prasade paye bhaktilata bis. Brahmando Brahmite kono bhagyavano jeev Guru Krishna prasade paye bhaktilata bis. মালি হইয়া সেই বিষ করে আরোপণ শ্রবণ কীর্তন জলে করা এসেছেন। When the jiva souls have unfortunately come into the material environment, which is not their real home, naturally they will try to return to their permanent house. Sometimes when they do not get the proper direction, still they try to go somewhere. They are always feeling like refugees who have come out of their own country, lived many years in another country, but cannot forget their own country. This is their situation. The Lord has all power. Without power, creation is not possible. And without the powerful, creation is also not possible. We can search in many ways, but finally we must go to the powerful, otherwise success is not possible. Another the rishis have searched in this way to find the power and powerful through mundane knowledge. It is not possible to get it. When they understood this, they try to get informed to higher level, and they searched for the way in the which it would be possible to get it. The transcendental knowledge has been given in Srimad Bhagavatam. This, oh my dear Arjun, fortunately if anyone will take shelter of me, I will relieve him from the illusory environment. Otherwise to get relief from the illusory, otherwise to get relief the illusory environment is not so easy, because Maya is so powerful. That is Bhagavatam said, Bhagavad Gita said. Okay?
Praneshwari.
Yes, Maharaj.
You said that person was, his name Bhakta or something, right?
Bhakta Marcos, yes, from Venezuela.
Yeah, very good. So he's going to Acharya Maharaj. He's addressing him as Gurudev, and he wants to know how to properly chant on japa. Then he should take Harinam from Acharya Maharaj. Then he can properly chant on the japa.
He's begging for that, Maharaj. Chilachajadev, you have another question from Venezuela. Navadvip Chandra, Dandavats. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that for one who makes the slightest advance on this path, for him there is no loss or diminution. But what about those who practice and commit any Vaishnava aparadha? Does that eliminate the progress they have made before?
What is the question, Maharaj? Santa Maharaj কি বলছে? কি অপরাধ করেছে?
বলছে যে ভগবদ গীতাতে কৃষ্ণ বলছেন যে আধ্যাত্মিক লাইনে যদি আমরা একটুও প্রোগ্রেস করি তবে সেটা কখনোই নষ্ট হয় না। যদি সেই প্রকার জীব কোনো কারণবশত যদি অপরাধ করে, বৈষ্ণব অপরাধ করে, তাহলে কি সেই সঞ্চিত ধন যেটা প্রোগ্রেস করেছে ওটা কি নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে? এটা বলছি।
হ্যাঁ, বৈষ্ণব অপরাধ করলে, বৈষ্ণব অপরাধ যদি করে, সেই it is you cannot progress in your spiritual life, but avoid always Vaishnava aparadh, and you try to forgiveness that Vaishnava. That is humility and give honor to others. That is Mahaprabhu's teachings. Vaishnava aparadh is the badha. এরা বৈষ্ণব অপরাধটা ভালো নয়, is not good. Vaishnava aparadh is not good. He can, but his if you better you can ask him forgiveness, that is better for you. But এই সঞ্চিত ধন নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে বা কি হবে, এটা এখনই it is not time to say about that. But sometimes we see so many Vaishnava aparadhi is becoming, they left Krishna consciousness and their life going to the hell. So many Vaishnava aparadhi I saw, and scripture also told many times. That is weak. Ramchandra Puri, we heard about Ramchandra Puri, and we heard about Chapal Gopal. He made the offense to the Srivas Pandit. Then after that he got relief. And Devananda Pandit also have some offense with Srivas Pandit, and Devananda Pandit also asking his forgiveness to Srivas Pandit. In this way, better we can see in the scripture the Vaishnava aparadh happen. We can ask forgiveness, that is better for us. That is the best solution.
Srila Chayadev, I think that part of the question he was asking what happened with the progress that devotee has done. If that progress is erased, or what happened with that. I think that was a little bit part of the question.
Yes, Maharaj,
I understood. But his progress will not finish, but will not increase. Sometimes we can see Namaparadhi, Chaitanya Charitamrita also telling that you offended your guru, like you cutting the root, or cutting the tree, your root, from the root. That is means you are offended your guru. For that is tree will be dry. Vaishnava aparadh happened like this. Vaishnava aparadh যদি হয় হাতি মাথা, সিন্ডি যায় পাতা, শুকিয়ে যায়। চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami mentioned about that. But what he progress, it will not be loose, but he cannot be progress in future.
can create some obstacle on the progress. That offense.
Yes.
Badha. Vaishnava yes.
Some obstacle can come his spiritual life.
Yes, Maharaj, but this is Divya Shakti. Is there any rectification for that devotee? That they can rectify the offense somehow?
Yes, he can rectify. He can ask him forgiveness. Maybe that Vaishnava is died, he can heartily form forgiveness from the heart. That is also can be happened. That is also can be happened. Sometimes we make offense to the devotees and that devotee died, and how we make ask forgiveness. From the heart you can ask forgiveness, no problem.
Okay. Thank you, Maharaj.
Srilacharya Maharaj? Krishna Vinodini Didi has a question here in relation to that topic.
Krishna Vinodini.
Krishna Vinodini here. Ananta Govinda.
¿Qué actitud debería de tomar un devoto cuando ve que otro devoto comete ofensa con otro devoto? ¿Cuál es la actitud que debería de tomar ese devoto que está viendo esa ofensa? ¿Cuál es la actitud?
What is the meaning?
What is the attitude that a devotee has to take when he or she sees that one devotee is not addressing another devotee correctly, properly?
No, she asked him, which attitude should the person take if one devotee sees that another devotee is committing an offense to?
You can give some advice to him not to make offense. But in the scripture told that you not listen to criticize about your guru, not to tolerate, you will go from that place, you go out. Vaishnav ninda shuni, bhakti vinod rahe sada mauna dhori. Vaishnav ninda, somebody criticizes to the Vaishnav and Bhakti Vinod is not talking anything, always stop his mouth. Understand? Bhakti Vinod Raya Sada Mauna Dhari. For that, you have power, you can tell him not to do that. But if he not listen, you leave that place without any comments. But you have any, you can have chance to tell him that please not to do that, not to make any offense, not to make any this kind of situation. You can tell, but if not listen, you can leave that place. That is better.
Dandavat Srilacharya. I heard that there are no Gaur Gadadhar deities in Jagannath Puri. I'm asking why that is, since their main pastime happen.
Gaur Gadadhar?
In Jagannath Puri, the deities. Why they aren't there, if that's where their pastimes happen.
In the where? In the Tota Gopinath?
Or anywhere. I heard that there are about three different Gaur Gadadhar deities in India, but none of them are in Jagannath Puri. And I'm wondering why they don't have the deities of Gaur Gadadhar and Jagannath Puri, if that's where the pastimes, the main pastimes, happened of Gadadhar pacifying Mahaprabhu who was having separation pain. Why don't they have deities there worshipping them in Jagannath Puri?
Oh, that is very highest things, very highest deities, highest relation. And highest relation, for that, I'm thinking so many temples, they are avoiding that. Gaur Gadadhar deities. Gaur Gadadhar deities, only Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is praying Gaur Gadadhar and Dijobaninath. I am not seeing so many places in Gaur Gadadhar because it is that relation is very highest relation. For that it is not only Jagannath Puri, it is not so many places also. But we are not that kind of qualification. We are not qualified to worship that kind of deities, Gaur Gadadhar. For that, I am not seeing all the Gauriya Acharya Varga, even Sridhar Maharaj, even other Acharya. They are not giving their attention to establish the Gaur Gadadhar. It is very rare places to worshipping Gaur Gadadhar. It is very confidential relationship. It is very highest relationship. And Gaur and Gadai, it is for that. Through Kirtan Margo, it's Kirtanakya Deep in Swarupganj. In Swarupganj means Godrumo Deep, it's worshipable. And is the highest place. And this is Champahati. Jaydev Goswami was living there, and that kind of place is possible. But this deity is Gaur Gadadhar. For that they are always, all the Acharya Varga, Gauriya Acharya Varga, they are always keeping distance from this kind of things. I am thinking that. But I do not ask to Gurudev in this kind of things. Why not? And this kind of things I cannot come to my mind also.
I think this answer is very good.
One time, when I was in Russia, that time Srila Janardhan Maharaj, Srila Ashram Maharaj, they are also there. They are also there. And morning time I am giving class. The Mahaprabhur Bhaktar Madhya 3.5 জন গণী, Swarup Damodar, Rai Ramananda, Shikikanto Mighty, and that his Shikikanto's Mighty's sister, Madhavi Devi is the half. Madhavi Devi is the half. And this the evening time is the highest gathering is there. So many new people, so many devotees are there. And there are so many services going on. Everybody has microphone in their meeting. And Gurudev gave lecture, and Gurudev finished the lecture, and Gurudev left that place in this moment, and everybody asking the question. Everybody asking the question and directly asking my name. And they told, the Acharya Maharaj morning time told, the old lady is asking, there are three Swarup Damodar Raya Ramananda Shikikanto Maiti and Tar Bhagni Srimati Madhavi Devi is the half. We are ladies for that we are half. And this kind of question give answer, and they are telling my name. And I do not know proper answer, and I am praying to Gurudev. Gurudev, please give some answer to my mind. And I gave that time answer. And I asked to Gurudev later, and Gurudev told, yes, you gave the right answer. Because we are not thinking we are the lady, we are the woman. And for that it is the illusion. We are the lady, we are the woman or man. But that question is, Mahaprabhu is always avoiding the woman to receive the prasadam or cooking anything. For that, Madhavi Devi is cooking, but she cannot serve to Mahaprabhu. She only can cook, she only can do, and from far she can see, but she cannot go close to the Mahaprabhu. For that she cannot do full service. For that she is the half. And Gurudev told, that is the right answer. Okay, any other question?
Maharaj?
Yes.
About the Gadadhar Pandit also, in all devotees, Mahaprabhu somehow, they went with Mahaprabhu, or Mahaprabhu allowed them to go to Vrindavan, but Gadadhar Pandit somehow being not allowed to go to Vrindavan.
Yes, Vrindavan, and even Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Pandit has free Abhiman. He told, no, I am not going with you, I am going to see I means Mahaprabhu's mother, understand? For that Mahaprabhu sent Sari and Prasad to give to Gadadhar, to give to his mother. But Mahaprabhu not allowed to visit with Gadadhar Pandit. Allowed to visit to Gadadhar Pandit, understand? And he is not allowed to Gadadhar Pandit. Because Mahaprabhu always keeping distance, because so many people, so many things can tell. So many things, so many people, they can criticize. Understand, they can criticize. For that people will get offended. People will become offender. People, if they criticize Mahaprabhu, they will make offense, and they will be offender. For that Mahaprabhu avoid that.
Dandava Maharaj. Dandava Maharaj.
Yes.
What else we can do to respect us, each other, and to love us like family members between all the devotees? What else we can do? What else we can do to have more respect between each other devotee, and to love every devotee like a family member?
That is necessary. That is the main things. In everybody giving respect each other. When wake up early, you can see each other giving some telling Haribol, paying each other to obeisance, giving dandavat to each other. That is the courtesy of the temple. and telling to everybody, Prabhu, Didi, in this kind of conversation going on with each other, understand, and not to be rude with each other, and you have to think how you giving affection your parents, affection your children, and that kind of affection you have, showing affection your God brothers, God sisters, and giving teachings, and be humble always. In this way, you can give teachings to each other. Otherwise, the children, how they will learn, what they will learn from us, what we will learn from us. Understand? We will learn from us. Pratihingsha teji onne karobi palon. Understand? That if somebody is giving bad language to me and I will give another bad language, that is not correct. That is not the correct. If somebody using the bad language, we will tolerate that and will be humble. And that is necessary to each other relationship. The relationship is coming like that, and everybody's is focus. Everybody's is thinking that we are the God brothers and God sisters, and we will. Our main goal is serving to our Guru, pleasing our Guru. It is not competition, it is not fighting, it is not taking, oh, he is taking my service, I will be very angry. It is not good. And everybody have to give chance and not jealous. She becoming manager, I am not a manager, and she becoming manager, and it is not thing. Manager and manager also thinking. Manager also thinking, that is relationship. When I translate in Bengali, translate by other, but I am giving correction to the Bengali. What is the relationship? That is called eternal Pele. That is called Nityalila. The eternal Pele. And eternal Pele, I was that at the well, that is feelings is necessary. A national follow is there. Krishna is not thinking I am God. And the friends of Krishna are not thinking Krishna is my friend. Krishna is my Lord. And friends of Krishna are not thinking Krishna is my Lord. Not the way he is my bosom friend. Not that way he is my bosom friend. In this way, their feelings are coming. I am today correction making in this books, Gurudev's lecture, and somebody is making Bengali, and I am correction that page, and I am very happy to listen that. Concert food, Paramo loves so many things that there are sometimes give us so much pain. That there are give only happiness. There is no place for pain there. Only when the pele of the Lord necessities. It's some deficiency may come, but His envy is coming. His envy is coming in your heart. That is very problem. And envy is coming, you are getting pain yourself. If envy is coming yourself, you are getting pain. You are getting pain, you are losing. Understand? Some enviousness coming to you. But we have to be careful. Here, somebody in the temple, somebody is the manager, and manager will not shoot, I am the boss here. Manager will not thinking I am the boss. Boss is only Lord. That is necessary. That is necessary to think. The manager also not thinking I am the boss here. I will control everything, but you are not controller. Krishna is always controller. Understand? But Krishna is giving to chance you, and Krishna can take the managership from you also. Krishna gave away from you, from the spiritual life also. But you have to be always careful with that. Okay, understand?
Yes, Maharaj. Can you take another question from Brazil?
Yes, tell me.
Hridai Ballava. Hridai Ballava Das. Dandava pranams at your feet, Srila Acharyadev. Was it possible for people in the ages of Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, and Dwapara Yuga to attain the highest attainment, to attain Krishna Prema? Was it possible for them to obtain Krishna Prema?
It's possible, but very hard system. Very hard system. Saptajuga is there. Their lifetime was 1,000 years. There also suffer. The Saptajuga people is very truthful, and there are not so much like Kali Yuga's people is always fighting. Kali Yuga is always fighting. Saptajuga people are not fighting. And Saptajuga is that. Saptajuga is there are worshipping Narayan, Narayanam Paraveda. That's mantra is there, and they are going to the yoga like this so many thousands of years. And Treta Yuga's lifetime 10,000 years they are doing big fire sacrifice. Today I saw that television. I saw the Durga Puja before they are killing the people, Narabali. And from the killing the people, 500 years ago they are starting the puja, they are killing the people. And they are offering to the one man, to the Durga. Nonsense thing, they are cutting the neck of the people. And in lieu of that, now it is not possible to kill the people. Now they are killing the buffalo. Today I saw. And I asking on one of my friend who is educated person but not devotee. And I am thinking, the Hindu people is not eating cows, but how they are eating the buffalo's meat? Cows are buffalo, what is the difference? Cows are buffaloes are, oh, no. Cows are buffalo are not different. Buffalo is like goat. Oh, very nice. They are giving the answer to me. They are giving to, and today I saw, today is the Ashtami, Navami, yesterday I saw, they are in the Kuzbihar, and near the Shiliguri, on temple, in the land Jamindar house, they are cutting on buffalo. They are on like this. They are showing in the television. And very nice. I told they will suffer in the age of Kali. They are killing in the offering to the Mother Durga is big buffalo. There are big buffalo giving and they are eating themselves. And they are asking, what the offering the bhog today? Oh, some dry food for them. Some chanachur, some kind of sweet today they are offering. Even they are not giving the goat to the, buffalo. They are not offering to the goat to the goat meat and cooking to the Durga. They are only cutting the goat for their enjoying. For their enjoying. Because they cannot control their kamana, they control their angerness, they control their so many elements, bad elements, but there are in lieu of that, they are cutting down. There are, on Osur, in the Moish, in the Osur, Timon, I am cutting the Osur and eating that Osur meat and enjoying. And so many nonsense things in Hindu religious, understand? For that we are not Hindu, is good for us.
Srila Acharya Maharaj. Srila Govinda Maharaj told that one man, he was always giving a goat for the Kali Puja every year, giving a goat.
Yes, he told me. Yes, I know that. Tell me.
Yeah, you can tell that story.
No, you can tell.
That man always giving one goat every year, and then one year he stopped giving the goat, and then they asked him, Baba, how come you are not giving goat anymore? And he said, No teeth. No teeth.
No teeth. No teeth. Because cannot eat the goat meat.
And Srila Gurudev also said in Hapania, they were eating sheep, not goat. They were eating sheep.
Yes, sheep, Vera, yes.
Yeah, and some person is saying, well, where is said in the scripture you could offer sheep? So Gurudev said that they wrote one verse in Sanskrit about eating sheep, about offering sheep, and then they said, oh, here we found in the Shastra, here is reference, but it was written by them. Maybe that's why Gurudev told that story about the sheep that went to Lord Brahma, and the sheep told Lord Brahma, all animals have some means of protecting themselves. Tiger has claw and teeth, and a boar has tusk, and every animal can protect themselves, but we cannot protect ourselves. So you must correct this. And then Brahma told, yes, but now is not the time of creation, so please go. And they said, why we should go? We want answer to this question. And Brahma said, no, you please go. And they said, why? We want to answer. The sheep is demanding answer. And then Lord Brahma said, because looking you, I am seeing you're so fat and juicy. Gurudev told it.
But Gurudev one time told, but people are eating the goat meat. But I told Gurudev, one time Gurudev went to Jamalpur, because he on the way to Bamunpara, Gurudev went to Jamalpur, because Gurudev is was the son of Lord Shiva. For that he told, we can go to the Jamalpur, and yes, Gurudev. And Gurudev went to Jamalpur, and all the devotees also went to Jamalpur on the way to Hapania after next day of the Param Guru Maharaj Sridhar Maharaj's appearance day. And on the way he went to Jamalpur, and Gurudev that time telling that Jamalpur is that Mela, that fair, is thousands and thousands of goat they are cutting that Mela. Jamalpur in the front of Lord Shiva. And Gurudev told that if somebody is eating goat meat in the outside, they are killing, that reaction is coming, but that goat also not getting some relief from their birth. But if they are offering to the goat meat to the Lord Shiva, but Lord Shiva is Vaishnava, but Shakto sheep, Vaishnava sheep is not eating meat and anything. And Shakto sheep, their Shakti Aradhana sheep that time, and they are offering sometimes meat, and that goat meat, and that goat soul is getting some relief from their goat birth. That is Gurudev told that time. Because they are offering the goat meat to the Lord Shiva. That is some sukriti that goat will get from the Lord Shiva. Yes, Didi, finished question. Any other question?
But Maharaj, when we went to Jamalpur that time, there were many people with us, and there's a place, wooden thing, where they're cutting the neck of the goat. And I saw so many people go to that place, and they're taking some earth from there, where the blood is in the earth, and they're putting in a handkerchief to take home. And
because there's some material desire for they're taking the soil from there. Understand? From soil from there, that blood is coming, and that kind of soil is taking my husband. If I keep their house, my husband, my son, my daughter, they will not bleeding anymore. Understand? Like there's some accident, they will, that kind of the kusangaskar. It is this kind of things. It is nonsense things. actually.
Superstition, Maharaj.
Huh?
Superstition.
Yes.
When I saw that, I could not understand why they are doing this.
When you go to Nrsimhapalli, you can see also there are tree there, and they are hanging some stone in the tree. And you go to the place of Chatkaji, and our devotee also, they are putting some stone in the tree branch.
What is that? What is that for, Maharaj?
Oh, there is some material desire. Some material desire. Oh, I am remembering my son's wife not giving the baby. I am giving some promise. I am putting some sakshi witness in this tree on stone, on bricks, and then if my son, wife of the son is giving the baby son birth or baby or son or daughter, I will give and come to here, give worshipping to the Nrsimha. They are using the Nrsimha for their own purpose, for their material purpose.
Maharaj, you remember in Ahobalam also we've seen some people who are staying in forest. They are also sometimes, sacrificing some animals as offering to Nrsimhadev, some, forest people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, tell me, Maharaj, tell me.
Well, Gurudev said that, that Makali, she's surrounded by so many boots. And he said that actually she's not eating meat, but the boots with her, they're eating the meat.
But both is eating their bread. Okay. Next Sunday we will take another question. Okay, Praneshwari Didi, yeah?
Yes, Maharaj, I will keep a list.
What is the last question you told?
Can I make another question from Colombia?
No. Okay, later. Next week.
Okay.
Next week.
Jai
Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Jai Vishnupat Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Vishnupat Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Rakshak Siddhar Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Vishnupat Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Srila Bhakti Pavan Janardhan Maharaj ki jai. Srila Bhakti Ashram Maharaj ki jai. Jai Sripad Bhakti माधव पुरी महाराज की जय, भक्ति बांधव पुरी महाराज की जय, जय श्रीपद शांत महाराज की जय, श्रीपद मुनि महाराज की जय, श्रीपद हियर श्रीपद साधु महाराज की जय, ऑल द सिंपलेस्ट डिवोटीज की जय, ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड डिवोटीज की जय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, समगत गौर भक्त की जय, जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, ऑल द सिंपलेस्ट डिवोटीज की जय. Please accept humble obeisance to all the devotees. Please forgive my offense. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
Jai Om Vishnupad Srila Bhakti Nirmala Acharya Maharaj ki jai.
Jai.
Gracias.